What's up mga Lodibas, good day sa lahat, Boy Danggit here. So today gawa tayo ng inalamangan, okay? So ito, beef inalamangan yung ginawa natin, own recipe to. Lagay lang tayo ng konting twist and para maiba naman, no? So you can use either pork, chicken, or fish, it's up to you, or goat, bahala ka na, okay? So homemade recipe tayo, GG's. And yung recipe ng alamang meron sa last part ng video natin, okay? So just check it out later on. So ginger, we'll just saute onion, ginger, chili, and garlic. So yung chili, up to you. You can crush it or chop mo na lang or discard nyo na lang. For me, I will discard because I have kids here. And then next, tomato. So this is our shrimp paste o yung alamang natin. Ginisang alamang. So kung gusto niyo makita yung the recipe andun sa end ng video natin. I added the video there, okay? So this is with the onion, ginger, tomato, ayan. So lista ko lang yan dito sa bahay. Okay, so papakita natin yung recipe niyan at the end of our video. Gee, sarap niya, no? So we have here beef, ayan, mahiwa-hiwa na. Sinampal na natin dyan. So you can use chicken, you can use pork, you can use goat, sheep, it's up to you. Okay? And then we're going to put our shrimp paste o yung homemade alamang natin na napakaraming onion at tomato. So, sasatay lang natin to till na ma-absorb nyo na yung flavor, no? And ma-reduce na ng konti yung moisture, yung water content ng beef natin. So, additional, I added here sweet soy sauce. So, hindi na tayo nag-add ng sugar dahil meron tayong sweet soy sauce. You can also use normal soy sauce, then dagdag na lang ng konting sugar, pwede rin yun. Or oyster sauce, pwede rin. Or hoisin, pwede rin yun. Ayan, so lagay na tayo ng tubig to tenderize our beef, okay? So once na nag-boil, we're going to simmer the, lower the fire. Simmer na lang natin, okay? Tsaka na namatay. O, ayan, dahan-dahan lang. Oops. Ayan. Then simmer for around like 30 minutes to 1 hour, up to you. And then we have your fresh coriander. If you don't have coriander, pwede ka rin gumamit ng kinchay. Okay, so ayan. Hanggang sa nagmantika na yung beef natin, tapos na. Okay? So very easy and simple recipe lang to. Ayan, napakasarap niyan. Hindi na umabot ng dinner namin to kasi naubos ka agad. So, try nyo na mga Lodibels. And then, papakita ko na rin sa inyo yung recipe ng shrimp paste natin. Okay? So, ito yung shrimp paste natin. Ayan. O, diba? Sarap sa mangga, oh. So, watch nyo na lang yung video, Lodi. Mga Lodibels, andyan na. Okay? So, GG's out na ako. And thank you for supporting our channel. Yung mga nag-iwan ng comment, like at nag-share dyan, maraming salamat sa inyo. And sunod, upload ulit tayo mga panibagong mga recipe, okay? So ito, watch na lang tong video natin ng shrimp paste, okay? GG's and good day, God bless to all. Ciao!
Sorry, onion infused oil.